So I had a bunch of people reach out to me in my private group, as well as just messaging me the message on these videos. Is XRP crashing? How bad is this, Austin? What is playing out here? So we're going to jump into this. I'm going to tell you exactly what is going on with XRP. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think is going to play out here. Is this an opportunity? Is this a bear trap? All this kind of stuff. Is the sky falling? Should we all just sell our crypto and go hide under a rock? The short answer is no. Oh, and by the way, let's change this to red since it's red right now. Okay. Look, is XRP down 7+% right now? A lot of fun? Absolutely not. Bitcoin dropped down today and hit 94,000. I rolled over about 6:30 a.m. Dallas time this morning and looked at it and just kind of shook my head and went, okay, here we go. Okay. We've got an event playing out here that I think, number one, is market manipulation. It's a shakeout event. It's trying to get you to sell, panic sell your emotions and sell your Bitcoin, sell your XRP, sell all your crypto. That's happening. Okay. But I've also got some historical information that I want to show you and talk about that should give you a little bit of like, okay, because look, here's the thing. Ask yourself that question. Do you think that crypto is going to be bigger a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now? If so, why are you selling? Why are you stressing? The smart money steps in and buys on red days like right now. Okay. So with that, look, let's take a look at what's going on in the overall crypto market. You see, look at this. Bitcoin has already bounced back. It hit 94,000. Ethereum already bounced back a little bit. It hit 3,000 and change. Market has bounced back a little bit. It was down 6.5+%. If you look at the stock market, this is playing out on the stock market side right now. The Dow's down 529. The Nasdaq's down 128. Why? Well, there's a couple of key things, but the main one is Dow leads, stocks lower as Fed rate cut, doubts swirl. Say that really fast. What does that mean? Okay, guys, that means remember the government shutdown just ended, but guess what? We couldn't get the reports that the Federal Reserve needed, the jobs report, the CPI report, the PPI report, blah, 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 blah. So what's going to happen? The Federal Reserve is not going to give us a rate cut in December because they're going to basically say, look, if you're driving and you hit a patch of fog where you can't see, you have no visibility, what do? You slow down. That's literally what the Federal Reserve is going to do. They're going to cite the fact that they have no data to make any decisions, and they're not going to give us a Federal Reserve rate cut in December. What does that mean to you? Are you tired of hearing about the Fed rate cuts? Yeah, I'm tired of talking about them. But that is one of the reasons that you're seeing crypto down right now, because the stock market is down right now. Look, again, the Dow's down 500 plus, et cetera. So we're having a bleed over effect. It's coming over and it's impacting crypto. And impacting crypto is the Federal Reserve decision, because what the Fed does or doesn't do does impact crypto. It is. Okay. Now, I want to show you this too. This is a little bit of I don't know, motivation. Don't believe the misinformation that is out there. Every time in the last 3 years, the bears have told you that the bull market is over. Look what's happened right here where these arrows. Bears talked, and right now this is us right here. But look what happens. It bounces back. This goes to the emotional panic selling that's happening in XRP and all of crypto right now. Everybody out there screaming and running around. The media is talking about how horrible it is. You got YouTubers talking about how horrible it is and all that kind of stuff. And what does that create? That creates panic. It creates emotionally based trigger selling. And this is a shakeout event. We are in a shakeout period. The powers that be, Wall Street, whomever else, they want to cut you loose of your crypto. They want prices to go down lower so that they can continue to buy. They can continue to stack their XRP, their crypto, whatever they're looking at, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, so forth and so on. And they want you out and they want you scared so that a little bit later down the road, a week, 2 weeks, a month from now, they'll come back and go, hey, guess what? It's okay. All that was then, this is now. Oh, it's okay. Come on in. We'll give you a hug. We'll sell you your XRP. We'll sell you your Bitcoin. We'll sell you a Bitcoin ETF. Come on in. Why? They want to make the fees off of you. They want you to pay them 1 or 2% on an annual basis, or whatever their fee structure is for you to manage, to buy your crypto from them. Now, that's that. Do we need Wall Street? Fidelity, all those guys, BlackRock, Schwab, Morgan. Yeah, we do. We need them because behind their wall sits millions and millions of investors with trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars that they will start to sell crypto to. And that will help crypto 100%. Okay. But that's not right now. Shakeout event. Okay. Yeah, I'm fired up about this because look, bottom line, that's what's playing out. I got another thing for you. Look at this. The last time the US government reopened after shutdown, Bitcoin made a 5-month rally, surging by over 3%. But I want to show you this. January 25th of 2019, that yellow line is when the market is when the government reopened. But look at what happened right after where my mouse, I'm moving that. Crypto moved down. Bitcoin moved down. Wow. Interesting. We're inside of that 5-day, 6-day period of just like this. You see it? We're in that. So is history repeating itself? Quite possibly. Crypto moved down after that. But guess what then happened? A 300% surge, a 3x in Bitcoin. Look, I can't tell you what to do. I can't tell you you should or shouldn't own your XRP, keep it. I can only tell you what I'm doing. I continue to buy. I continue to add to my bag because I have zero doubt that crypto is going to be front and center for years and years and years to come. I'm talking about the blockchain technology, the adoption of the technology, XRP, Ripple being adopted into the banking and financial industry, et cetera. But I'm also talking about the broader picture. I'm talking about crypto moving in, to everybody's lives, tokenization, real world assets, AI cryptos, so forth and so on. And right now they want you scared. Who's they? Whomever. Crypto is manipulated. We all know it is. So the fact of the matter is, how do you fight that manipulation? You don't sell via panic. You don't sell when they're trying to get you to sell, like is happening today and now in this period that we're in. We are in an extreme fear and greed scenario. Fear, extreme fear. They are accomplishing their goals of keeping you scared, keeping you off balance, so that you don't know which is up, which is down. Should I go left? Should I go right? Period. Look, I believe fundamentally in this, that it's a manipulation event, but I also believe fundamentally in crypto. And you have to make the choice of what you feel about your crypto. Do you believe in XRP? Do you believe in crypto? If you believe in it, then don't freaking sell. In fact, you buy. Not investing advice. Look, I know this is hard, and I'm not minimizing the carnage, and I'm not minimizing the fact that our market's down. I'm not glossing over that. I'm embracing it. I'm saying that that's what it is, and it sucks. Do I want us to be down now? Absolutely not. And if you think I do, I don't know what the hell you're smoking. Okay. But we can only deal with what this situation is in front of us. And the only power you have is the power over you and your decisions, whether you buy, you sell, you hold, whatever that is. And you have to make the decision that's right for you, your family, what have you. Because that's the power, only power you have. And then you have to identify and see the opportunities and step in with the opportunities that are being created for you by the manipulation events and take advantage of them. That's it. Is it fun? No. Okay. Hey, look, here's the thing. If you want to, you can become part of my community. It's literally 90 cents a day. It's 27 bucks a month. You can cancel and refund at any time. You get access to my portfolio. You get access to when I buy. I bought a new crypto today. You get access to a private community. You can no longer be alone. My private community is people helping each other. Talking and like, if you feel like you're on an island by yourself, then maybe try this. You can get a refund if you don't like it. Okay. We're also building a portfolio together in my members area, lots of good stuff. I share members only content over there, a lot more, kind of my personal opinions about crypto and all that I share with my private community. So if that's interesting to you, then maybe try it out. Links in the description below. With that, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.